Hi, everybody. This is Christian Ross. I'm an attorney with Campbell and Brannon. Last week, we did a class on the right to request repairs exhibit, and we compared it to the due diligence period and just how we would normally do it here in Georgia. Well, I wanted to make an addendum to that class because there is a form on one of the scenarios when you actually extend the inspection period and defect resolution period. So that contract, I think it's F273, allows the buyer to extend those defect resolution periods up to 7 days unilaterally. And there's a form for that, and it's F276. So if you intend to use that and you need to extend, go ahead and use this form as opposed to just doing some sort of notice form or an amendment, or just relying on an email. So I hope that helps. If you have questions about the right to request repairs exhibit or anything else that we talk about in these classes, feel free to reach out to me. Good luck. Happy house hunting.